Kenya's Deputy President William Ruto has won the presidential election, the Electoral Commission chairman announced on Monday evening.
In accordance with the law, the Constitution and the law, I, Wafula Chepkati, Chairperson of the Independent Electoral Boundaries Commission, hereby declares that Ruto William Samuel has been duly elected as the president.
Chebukati said that Ruto garnered 7,176,141 votes, or 50.49% of the total votes cast ahead of veteran opposition leader Raila Odinga, who garnered about 6,942,930 votes, or 48.85% of the votes. Ruto, who spoke soon after receiving a certificate to confirm his victory, pledged to extend a hand of friendship to political rivals, unite the country and advance shared growth and prosperity.
I want to promise that I will work with all elected leaders and all leaders in Kenya so that we can fashion a country that leaves nobody behind. Both responsibilities in government and in the opposition are important for the people of Kenya. I want to promise the people of Kenya that I will run a transparent, open, democratic government. And I will work with the opposition to the extent that they provide oversight over my administration.
Ruto's declaration as Kenya's fifth president-elect followed grueling days of verification of votes transmitted from 46,229 polling stations countrywide, at the National Tallying Center in the capital, Nairobi.